So we're going to put the A, the B, the C and the D value together for trigonometric transformations. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to find A, then we're going to find D, then we're going to find B, and then we're going to find C. So the A value is simply the amplitude, or half the distance from the top to the bottom. So my range goes from 3 to -3. I will also know the principal axis will be 0 on this one. And so my A value is 3. So that's the difference from the principal axis to the top. So my A value is 3. Next I'm going to work out my D value. Now normally when I times a cosine graph normally sort of starts at 1, 0, or has a maximum point of 1. So I've times this by 3, so I've stretched it vertically upwards to 3, and that is my maximum point here at 3. So I haven't added on anything or taken anything away, so my D value is nothing. So now I'm going to work out B, and this all comes from the period. So the period of this graph is from this point here, which is minus 82.5 up to 97.5. Now if I add those two together, it gives me a period equal to 180. So I take my 360, which is my base period, I divide it by B and I get 180. So I can work out that B is 2. So I've got 3 of my values already. Now my fourth one, the C, always is the one that people have the most amount of trouble with. So I'm going to pick one point, and I'm going to pick this point up here. And that's the maximum point. So I'm going to fill it into my equation with the values I've got already. The Y value is 3. The A value is also 3. And then I've got cosine. The B value is 2 times the X value from this point is 7.5. The C value I don't know, and D is nothing. So a little rearrangement of this. If I divide both sides by the 3, I get 1 equal to cosine 15 plus C. Now remember, this is a very important thing to remember, is that cosine 0 equals 1. So if I could make this part here 0, it would give me cosine 0, and it would give me the 1 that I've got here. So basically it's 15 plus C equal to 0. Therefore C equals minus 15. So I've got all 4 values. That one, that one, that one, and that one.